Hello everyone, I'm Ivano Magazzu from the Interreg program. Today we are going to support you and guide you for the preparation of your video application for the 2018 Project Slam at European Week of Regions and Cities. 6 projects, 1 slam. Now you will see soon an example from the Inclusive Growth Network implemented by our program. But first of all, please don't forget to use the 6 rules of the patterns made by Charles Jourdain you have seen in the terms of reference. Now, first of all, remember to treat the introduction and the problem of your project. Second thing, to not be forgotten, it's treat the problem specifics. Third, of course, highlight the solution your project has provided. 4, how this solution works. Don't forget for sure to prove that it works. And of course, last but not least, the vision and brand. And now, let's see the sample. See you soon!
Hi, this is Mercedes Atitores from Interreg Inclusive Growth Network. In about 2 minutes, I'm going to present a very useful tool for a problem that some of us experience in our daily work. How to show the added value of Interreg, in my case, in inclusive growth matters. When talking about inclusive growth, people automatically think of specific funds devoted to this area, such as the European Social Fund. But not many of them know that Interreg, ENI and EPA also promote inclusive growth with projects dealing with employment, education, training or health. Interreg also has an impact on these areas and we need to show it. That's why we created the Thematic Network on Inclusive Growth, a platform gathering thematic experts, Interreg stakeholders and other EU funding programs working on social policy. How does the network work? First, it makes available relevant data to better understand inclusive growth in the European context. Second, it facilitates the exchange of practices, making us gain knowledge about the current experiences. And lastly, through this network, we can articulate and support together a common response in Interreg in European social policy. There are already more than 50 cooperation programs in the network, along with experts from the European Social Fund and other relevant institutions. We believe that working together on this will make a difference. Let's make the word cooperation a reality. Show the European policymakers that we also push for a more inclusive Europe.